In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota FJ Cruiser key fob at home to change the internal battery. Now this is a super easy process. You will just need a regular flathead screwdriver and one of these CR2016 batteries. Now if you'd like to get one of those online, or you just don't even know where to get one of them, I will leave a link down in the description here on YouTube to get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. Now, what we want to do is look up on the top of the device. You can see there's that little slot along the seam of the plastic. Go ahead and insert your flathead screwdriver into there and give it a twist. That will crack this thing open, and you can set the back piece to the side. And here is our battery. Again, CR2016. You can just kind of push on the bottom. You can see how easily that just came out. I'll show you that one more time. We are just lightly pressing on the bottom of the battery. Don't want it to fly out on me, so I'm putting my finger there, and it will pop right out super easily. Again, you can check the description. The link will be there to get the exact battery that you need for this device, and it is a CR2016. And make sure when you put your new battery in that the positive side is facing up. So you want to see that plus side facing up. And you just set it in, very simple. Make sure it's sitting in there nice and secure, and then you just click the back piece of plastic back on there. And that is it. Super easy. I hope that helped you out. If it did, feel free to let me know down in the comments. And if you ever need help changing another battery in any of your key fobs, we have tutorials here on YouTube for pretty much every maker model. And you can also visit us directly at fobbattery.com.